Welcome to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. Your home for all the info you need to know when you're just trying to survive on a budget. Time for another Bargains, Eats, and Treats video. And this time, it's the mild corn and black bean salsa that I picked up at Jasper Gift and Baskets and Popcorn Company. If you want to learn more about it, I'll be right back. Okay, welcome back to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. Like I said, we're taking a look at the mild corn and black bean salsa. Okay, it's especially made for Jasper Gift Baskets and Popcorn Company. I did a video on that store. I'll have a link to it down below. Very nice store, great people. But let's go ahead and get the jar open. Here we go. Nice little pop. Oh man, it smells like chili, like homemade chili. Here's a closer look. I'm gonna go ahead and try it on its own. Oh man, that is really good. You add maybe a pound of ground beef to that, you'll have the perfect chili. I guarantee you. That I could eat the whole jar by itself. Trust me. That's really good. Go ahead. Now these are just cheap $1 tortilla chips I got at Dollar General. That is really good. I mean, really good. It's $6.95 a jar. Okay, with that said, price-wise, I think it's just a little high, maybe by about $1 or so, but nothing awfully mean or hateful. For what you get, is it worth the $6.95? I'm gonna say pretty close. The taste is amazing. This is one of those things I rate on 1 to 5 on the 5-star rating. And if I could give it more than a 5, I would. I guarantee you, get some ground beef, you fry it up. Don't add no seasoning to it. Put this into it, you're gonna have yourself a great bowl of chili. I guarantee you. And the price of chili at restaurants, and it's subpar. It makes it worth it for that purpose, but for just straight salsa, I think it's a little bit high. I'd rather see it around the $5.50 price mark. But with that said, taste, and the ingredients list is real short. It's like 5 ingredients: peppers, beans, corn. Not a lot of artificial stuff in it. 16 ounces. Yeah. So with that said, the price just being a tad bit high, it being versatile, the taste being amazing, I'm going to give 4.5. If the price was a little bit lower, I'd give it a solid 5+ if I could. So yeah, if they do have gift baskets, I'll have a link to the store down below. I'll have a playlist for Jasper's gift baskets, so you can check them out. And I know they deliver, so you might be able to find this in a gift basket or get it delivered. Okay. Enough with my rambling. Do me a favor, click on that subscribe button, one of these corners up here. And as always, thank you for watching.